Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Microsoft Teams app can't join or sign in. Microsoft Teams has a special talent for deciding not to cooperate right when you're about to join an important meeting. If you can sign in or join meetings, start with the simplest fix. Completely close the app and reopen it. On mobile, open your recent app screen and swipe Teams away before launching it again. If that doesn't help, try switching networks. I've seen Teams refuse to connect on Wi-Fi, then work instantly once I switch to mobile data, or vice versa. Another reliable fix is reinstalling the app. Press and hold the Teams icon, remove it from your device, then download the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you're having trouble joining a specific meeting, tap the meeting link and choose to open it directly in the Teams app. If that still fails, copy the meeting link and paste it into Teams manually. Finally, double-check the account you're using. Work and school accounts often require organization credentials, while personal Microsoft accounts operate separately. Using the wrong account type is surprisingly common and can prevent access even when everything else appears to be working correctly. One quick account switch can sometimes resolve what looks like a much bigger problem. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.